Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to decorate a pot for Pongal. For this I have taken a pot and using white acrylic paint I am going to color it. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe as it encourages me to make more videos. Allow the paint to dry for at least half an hour. Once the paint has dried, I have taken some red drop beads and gluing them to the pot. Next I have taken silver ball chain and gluing it on top. Cut off the extra bit and glue 2 more lines. Then take some mirrors and glue them as shown. To make this look more beautiful, I have taken small kundan stones and gluing them as well. I have glued some more red drop beads here. Next I have taken some leaf shaped mirrors which I am going to glue at the bottom. I need to add a touch of color. I am using metallic paint at the bottom. Then take a cotton bud and dip it in white acrylic paint and use it to make design as shown. In the same way I have taken a toothpick and made designs as well. You can see how beautiful our pot is now looking. To add the final touch, I have taken some cotton and added it on top, and a beautiful pot for Pongal is now ready. I hope you all like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another video very soon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.